I am in Park Boracay. It's my first time in a park. Kids are playing. And they have exercise machines and they have a bar. And they have this park here and they have swings and they have like it's a huge part where you can skate, ride your bicycle. Over there is a sand pit thing. You know, sandbox, a huge sandbox. That is a huge sandbox in front of the bar. And this part is really, really big. Like, I can't show you, but you can't see the end of it. It goes and goes and goes. And then there's another kids playground part on the other side of that hill. So it's huge. And it's really beautiful in the center of Udine. There's this new aperitivo place here. They have coffee. It's like a cafe bar. Let's see. Oh, macarons. That is what I want. Sandwiches. I'm gonna try some things. Ciao.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao. We are going to a place called Merlino to have an aperitivo, basically to drink wine, and maybe we'll eat something, I'm not sure. Usually we don't eat, sometimes we eat, and so we're driving around. It's beautiful. Italian countryside. We've got hills, mountains all around. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's like maybe 27 degrees. I don't know. And I'm using my hand because I don't have stabilizers. What is it called? I forgot the word. A stabilizer? A phone? Camera stabilizer? No. Anyways, so the afternoons are really hot these days, like 27 degrees or so. And in the morning and at night,
tutti col contratto
lo comprano tutti col contratto
dei telefoni.
Like the temperature drops at
Con la
night.
Telecom, con la Vodafone, con la Wind. Perché gli pagano 20-30 euro al mese.
Addirittura sono 20-30 euro al mese. Sì, ma quanto stai a pagare?
3 anni.
Look where we are. Yay! Ada is eating torta di ricotta. Renato is eating the gubana.
Wow.
In Friuli Dock we had the gubana gelato ice cream. It was very good. Okay, Enrico's eating prosciutto and cheese. And this is red wine. This wine is really good. It's light, but it still has a really good taste. and but not too woody.
Vuoto, chi è?
But I am drinking Romandolo, and it is sweet wine, and it has this beautiful amber color. It's really, really. Got a message on my phone. And so it's sweet and kind of like a honey kind of sweet, not like ice wine or sorbet kind of sweet. It's not like fresh. It's like just like amber. That's how, and the color is amber. The color describes the taste so much. And then I also got the torta di ricotta. It's a ricotta cake. Well, it's actually, they call it cake because they say torta. I don't know. So, I'm having the torta di ricotta. It's a ricotta, kind of like a pie, but it's soft. We went to a different place because the mosquitoes were eating meat and Enrico
Però insomma ti dico che abbiamo abbastanza.
Now I'm drinking Agriturismo, which is another type of
Io sono interessato a due cose.
It's less sweet than Romandolo. Salame is this.
Quindi sai, prima vincoliamo i numeri e poi vediamo. Se uno fa lo sbruffone, almeno lo guardo in faccia e penso che prende 100 euro meno di me.
Ecco.
Capito come? Però chiaramente adesso sarà da mettere un po'. Sì, però noi abbiamo troppa personalità. Li facciamo fuori perché noi siamo di marciapiede.
And kind of melts in your mouth a bit. It's different than the ones that I've had before.
Sì, ma è che con quelli di
Canada or other countries. So this is like the real salame. It's very nice. It is also a very beautiful place. We look
Erano in
behind me.
16 6 anni fa, facciamo le fighe, c'eravamo in 4.
Beautiful. We have a garden.
Fai il figo, dai a 4.
Buono, veramente.